Hello students, we are starting with chapter 13 today. Chapter 12, comparison of adjectives will be done in the next class. Okay, now please turn to your textbook to page 55, adverbs. What is adverbs? Adverbs are words that tells us how an action happened. Or we could also say that words that describe a verb, adjectives are called adverb. Okay, and adverbs they usually end with ly, but some also looks exactly the same as other adjectives. Adverb kan ti chuan verb emo adjectives emo soifia tu kha adverb chu ani verb kan ti kha enge kha in la sha em action how it happened till action words kan ti ang kha ani ta ni tiro chuanin adjectives kan ti chu noun soifia tu kan ti kha ani kha kha chin cha ro o chuanin adverb ve thung chuanin action in til ti lai te emo noun soifia tu te kha kan soifia vele na kha adverb chu ani. Okay, now look at the picture from page 55 and read the sentence. A tortoise walks slowly. Ti ki sentence ki in mu em satel muang takin akal thu sentence a khian kan mu ani tiro chuanin ani le khita khianin noun noun chu tortoise ani ta ni tiro chuanin ama ero chu adverb kan zong do na walk adverb chuanin verb emo adjectives a concern bi ka ni chu wang chuanin verb kan zong do na a tortoise walks slowly kan ti a chuan walks ki verb ani atiro chuanin verb soifia tu chu slowly ki ni ta ni tero a tortoise walks kan ti ri ngo chuan tortoise akal kan ti ta ni ma se muang takin akal kan ti a muang slowly kan ti tak kha adverb chu ani. Okay, chuanin Jaya writes neatly, beautifully, quietly, loudly, safely kan ti te ki adverbs te chu ani adverbs to verb emo adjective te soifia tu kan ti to kha engtin nge adjectives emo adverbs kan shat chan theyang in ti chuanin sentence kha uluk takin in chiarang. Okay, sentence uluk takin in chiaranga question zo na kha in chiar le ang question a khanin adverb zong chhuak ra u adjective zong chhuak ra u ti aron om chuanin sentence uluk takin in chiaranga chu ta tang chuanin adverb tur te adjectives tur te inron zong chhuak thayang. Okay, now please turn to page 56, exercise A. Underline the verbs in the sentences, circle the adverbs aron ti ni verb in underline nga chuanin adverbs kha in thai bial don ani heta po hianin uluk takin sentence ki in chiarang. Okay, verb in underline nga adverb in circle ang in thai bialang. Okay, chuanin beginning of the video I told you that there are some words where we add ly, right? Ly can add kanin adverbs aron siamani kan titiro chuanin adverbs tamzo khichu ly in an top 3 na. So we know that adverbs words chen khata ly kan bil chuanin adverb kan siamani ti kan shani. Look at the example box noi berke han enula page 56 akyan adjectives chen khat like clear, warm takimin lo pe ni tiro king khianin ly kan bel chuanin we will form clearly, warmly ti te kan mutheyang ani chu chu adverb kan siam chin ani. Okay, word or adjectives chen khata ly kan bel khanin adverb kan siam ani. Okay, but there are some exceptions. Adjectives chen khat y atopa khanin ly chau bil lovin ILY in bel to ang. Okay. ILY in bel khanin adverbs in siam donani. For example, happy will become happily. Heavy will become heavily. Merry will become merrily. Okay. Happily ti chau ni lawin. Heavily ti chau ni lawin. ILY in belanga. It will become happily, heavily. Okay. So anin exercise B a khanin word min pe ani ki adjectives mo min pe a ki nga khanin ILY mo ly in beldon niya. Oh, and also in exercise C, here you have to add ILY or ly, but you have to fill up the blanks as well from the bracket. Number 1 ki en ula word min pe ni tiro bracket a kyanin soft min pe ani ki ILY mo ly in belanga adverb in kimi sentence ki in fill up don ani chu. So the music played so softly that we could barely hear. More softly ly in belang. Okay, easy will become inge kan soika y atop chuanin ILY beltorani kanti kamo. Okay, this exercise A, B, and C, they will be for your homework. Okay, and as I have said, Sunday ma in submit tur ani a class kan nei zo vele hian homework hiti ngal ula chuanin in ron submit ngalanga chuanin thengil lo in lo tum don bok nia o chuanin next Monday khanin test kan nei dona. We are going to have a test on Monday again. And your test portion will include adjectives and adverbs. Okay, adjectives le adverbs in test donani chu Monday zan dar sari achanga daryat in kara. Okay, and please submit your homework before Sunday. Thank you.